Namaskaram. For me to be able to do Durga Saptasati chanting in a more connected way, I do the Shodopachara puja in a very short way, but in a very meaningful manner. And I am describing it here. So, firstly, I'll close my eyes and imagine Ma Durga, who is very beautifully adorned in a very beautiful golden red color sari, lot of jewelry and beautiful face. You can imagine any Durga Ma's face in front of you. Or since I had a divine vision, I imagine her with those being in those galaxies, stars, wearing this red color sari and lot of jewelry with a very beautiful face, nose ring, and holding trident and chakra and sword, bow and arrow, and the Gada, lotus, and a Shankam, and a shield, and a Pasha, and one Abhaya Mudra. She's holding this in her 10 hands, and she is the one who have slayed Madhukaitaba, and who is the one who also destroyed Raktabija, Shumba Nishumba, and Chandamunda Asuras very effortlessly with lot of devotion to restore cosmic balance. She also took away the life of Mahishasura. So all of these fiercefulness she has, but she's so loving, unconditional mother with very pleasing, unconditional compassion flowing through her eyes for all of us. And to such Durga Ma, who is always like a mother, a maternal, more loving than our mummy, our mother, biological mother. So, more giving, more forgiving, more watchful, more careful about us. To such mother, I am doing this. So, I bring that image in front of my eyes and I ask her to come and sit in front of me. And as I am doing it, I say, Amma, please come sit in front of me to offer my recitation, to listen to my recitation, or to listen to or take my mantra japa. Like that, I will tell. So, in the very personalized manner, I will do a avahanam. And then I will ask her to sit in front of me in my temple room. Then I imagine I'm giving her water to her feet, cleaning her hands, giving water to her, giving some soothing, refreshing drink to her. Then I imagine I'm giving her Panchamrita Snanam, so with milk, raw milk, with a curd, then a bit of ghee, a bit of honey and sugar. And then I also give in multiple forms like dry fruits, fruit juices, sugarcane juice with shankam, tulsi water, jasmine or flowers, seasonal flowers which are having good fragrance with those. All of that while I'm doing, I say Suddhodaka Sthanam. After that, I imagine I'm offering her clothes and then uh, the sacred thread. And as part of jewelry, since I don't have everyday jewelry to give, I put akshata. If there are any special days, I offer them bangles or any other uh, jewelry. When I'm doing the homa, I imagine I'm giving, literally put some bangles and jewelry and all of that. So then I put the bangles into the homa, or when I'm giving her at her feet, I put it like I'm imagining that I'm adorning her. Then I put gandham, sandalwood, and then I put uh, flowers, then dhupam, the dhoops, incense sticks. Then I put light and show her the light. Then I give her naivedyam, prasadam. Then I put in the prasadam, I'll make a like a coconut water or a jaggery water, some kind of paniyam, and then tambulam, and then nirajanam. After doing the nirajanam, I imagine that I'm giving with mantras a flower with mantra pushpam. Then Pradiksha Namaskaram, saying, Amma, please accept my humble prayers. And the same I have given in the form of shlokas. So the same process you can also follow if you wish to. Chandika Parameswari Devata Lagu Shodopachara Puja Vidhi Sri Chandika Parameswari Devatam Dhyayami Dhyanam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devatam Avahayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Divya Ratna Simhasanam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Patyam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Arghyam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Achamanam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Madhuparkam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Panchamrita Snanam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Suddhodaka Snanam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Vastrayukmam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Swarna Yajnopavitam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Swarnabharanam Samarpayami Swarnabharanardham Pushpani Pujayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Gandham Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Pushpani Pujayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Dhupamagrapayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Deepam Darsayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Divya Naivedyam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Paniyam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Tambulam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Neerajanam Darsayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Suvarna Divya Mantra Pushpam Samarpayami Sri Chandika Parameswari Devataye Namaha Atma Pradikshana Namaskaran Samarpayami